In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a chat in Google Docs. Whether you're collaborating on a document with a team or simply working together with a friend, Google Docs offers a convenient chat feature to improve communication. Let's walk through the steps to access and use this feature. When you're in Google Docs, you'll notice the menu at the top of your screen. This menu is filled with various functions, and from here, you'll want to locate the small icon resembling a chat bubble or the words Show Chat. Clicking on this will open the chat window on the side of your document. This chat allows for real-time discussions, meaning any collaborator you've shared the document with can see your messages as soon as you send them. This can be particularly useful in resolving issues quickly or sharing ideas without disrupting the flow of the document. Once the chat window is open, you have the option to type your messages. Look for the area that says Type here to chat. It's usually at the bottom of your chat sidebar. Clicking into this field will allow you to start typing your message. This section is pretty straightforward, acting much like any other chat application you might be familiar with. You simply write your message and hit the Enter key to send it. Every message you send appears in the chat window for everyone who has access to the document to see. After your chat discussions, you might want a more distraction-free workspace, or perhaps you just want to tidy up your document's interface. In that case, closing the chat sidebar is simple. Just look at the chat window for an option to Close Side Sheet, or click the small X at the top of the chat window to shut it down. This will remove the chat bar from your screen, allowing you more room to focus on the document itself. Don't worry, closing the chat won't delete any messages. It simply hides the chat interface. By integrating the chat feature into the Google Docs environment, you can enhance your collaborative projects with swift communication. It's a straightforward way to keep communication flowing smoothly and to ensure everyone stays on the same page as you work through your document. Whether you're a project manager coordinating tasks or a student discussing group assignments, this feature can help streamline your workflow. Thank you for joining me today, and now you know how to start a chat in Google Docs to make your collaborations more efficient and effective.